I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese recipe updated. Heat milk to 86 degrees F, add starter culture, and stir gently for even acidity. Add rennet and stop stirring once the curd sets firm. Cut curds into 1-inch cubes and rest to expel whey. Drain and press with weight as directed for your cheese style, then age in a cool, humid place for best flavor. Warm hands and gentle motion make a big difference when handling curds, so move slowly and with purpose. Monitor temperature every 5 to 10 minutes and adjust heat gradually to avoid shocking the culture. Taste small pieces to judge acidity before pressing and salting. Label your cheese with date and salt percentage and record weight changes during pressing so you can repeat successes and create a simple aging space using a wine fridge or cooler set to 50 degrees F and 85% humidity, or use a damp towel method if needed. Check your cheese every few days, flip it, and trim fuzzy spots with a clean knife. Keep notes on temperature, humidity, and flavor progression to dial in your ideal aging time and develop consistent, delicious wheels every batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.